I'm in our factory and I'm going to show you how to install a smart fridge when you get the machine. As you know, every smart fridge will go with a Nayax card reader as payment system. The card reader will be installed at the left side of the fridge here. In order to save the shipping costs and protect the card reader well, we will pack it like this. When you get the machine, firstly you need to plug in the machine to the power source and then connect to the Wi-Fi or use a SIM card to access to internet. After that, you need to log in the backend system by your mobile phone to open this door. Open the front panel and then use this supporter to support it. Connect a mouse to the Android board and you will see this. Let me show you how to connect to Wi-Fi. Setting, select Wi-Fi and select Wi-Fi. Connect. Now Wi-Fi has been connected. When we connect the Wi-Fi, now let's go to the vending app. Log in the backend system by your mobile phone. Find the device code from your mobile phone. Open the door. Now the door can be opened. You see the installation blanket is here and the card reader is here. Take them off. Now we took out the installation blanket and the card reader. The installation kit is fixed in this tray. Take it off. You will see there are 6 screws like this. Insert the screws into the hole from the inside of the fridge. Put the installation bracket to the fridge. Fix it. Fix this screw nuts inside. Use one hand to hold the screw nut and the other hand to rotate the screws to get it well fixed. Connect the cable to the card reader. Also connect the antenna cable to the card reader. Hook the card reader onto the bracket. At the back side of the bracket, fix the card reader by screws. 4 screws. Now card reader has been fixed. After that, fix this cover. Now the card reader has been installed.